boys and girls! Welcome to Read Aloud with Miss Sorrentino. Today we're going to read this book, I Can Do Hard Things, Mindful Affirmations for Kids by Gabby Garcia and Charity Russell. Before we do anything, I want us to think about some hard things that you don't think you can do, whether it be ride a bike, you get 100 on a math test, or anything, cook an egg. Mindful affirmations. Affirmations are what people do to tell themselves they could do it. It's like you telling yourself, I can do it, I can do it. And I want us to look at this cover right here. All these people look so different, which means that they can do different things because like we learned in the past, everybody is unique. You ready for it? I can do hard things. Look at them all walking around the world, all different, all from different places maybe. But everybody faces challenges in their life. I don't always feel brave, confident, or strong. Brave, we all know what that means, like strong, like you believe in yourself. Confident is a word that means that I believe in myself. When you're confident, you believe in yourself, you believe you can do anything. Sometimes people don't have confidence, and they should. Or strong. Sometimes it's easier to follow others along. Should you follow others, or should you be a leader and lead? I think you should be a leader and believe in yourself. I get so many messages about how I should be, pulled in different directions. I feel wobbly. So she's thinking about what costume to wear. Should she be a ballerina, a princess, a superhero, or a mudman? She has no idea. But you have to think about what you really want and not about what others want. When this happens, I listen for that quiet voice inside. When I pay attention, that voice is my guide. So sometimes when you feel that way, when you feel so confused, you don't know what to do, take a second. Go into a quiet room, close your eyes, and think, what should I do? And that voice inside your head will tell you right away what you really want deep down inside. Connect with the love and strength it brings. It helps me to remember I can do hard things. I want everybody to say it right now. I can do hard things. That voice inside your head is telling you, do what you love. See, this boy, he might be afraid to climb up this rock wall because he has a prosthetic leg. But that voice told him he can do hard things, so he's gonna try. I can be a friend to myself. Sometimes we have to remember to do that too. We have a ton of friends and we take care of them, but we also have to remember to be a friend to ourselves. I can feel all my feelings. That means that sometimes you might feel sad and you don't want to show it. Show it. People will understand. I can ask for help. Don't be stubborn. If you need the help, ask it, especially from your teachers. Now I want you to think of a time that maybe you didn't ask for help and you needed it. Would it have been good or bad to ask for help? Probably good. We should always ask for help. Uh-oh, this girl looks like she fell off her skateboard. What do you think she's gonna do? Is she gonna give up? Nope. I can try again rather than give up. You should always try. We learn from our mistakes and then try again. I can believe in myself. Look at this girl. She's singing her heart out. I want you to say that. I can try again rather than give up. I can believe in myself. Because you're all unique and you all have different skills and should believe that you could do anything that you put your heart and your head to. I can speak up when it would be easier to be quiet, to stay quiet. I want us to look here what's happening in this picture. This little boy looks like he's being kind of mean to that little girl. And what did this little boy do? Yep, that's right. He went and he told the teacher to help the little girl. You should always stand up for others when things aren't going right. I can say no even to my friends. So this little boy asked this little boy if he wanted to go for a bike ride, and he said, nope, he wants to read his book and do what he was told. I can apologize. That's a big one, because sometimes, even in school, when we get really, really upset, we don't want to say sorry. We're mad. But it always helps yourself and helps others when you say you're sorry. And I can forgive. Someone is truly sorry if they broke a toy and they're like, I'm so sorry. You can forgive them because things will get better. I can listen to understand different points of view. So you can listen to each other. Maybe she thinks something differently than her, and him and her. But it's good to listen to what everybody has to say before you make your own opinion. I can care for my community. That's an amazing thing to do, boys and girls. And you all are caring for your community right now. I can choose kindness. You should always choose to be kind and never rude or mean. If someone needs help, we should always help them. I want you to think, close your eyes, think in your mind, what's one time you chose kindness? Whether it was opening a door for someone, helping someone with math, playing with someone at recess. What's one time you chose kind? I know some of you have, people are crying, you even go and give them tissues. That's amazing. I can practice peace. That means when the world seems a little crazy, you could take a minute for yourself, close your eyes, listen to that voice, and just be calm. I can share my gifts with the world. If you know you're awesome at something, share it with people. People are proud of you and they want to see. And I can be myself. Hard things can be about what we think, say, feel, or do. What's hard for me may not be hard for you. And I know we say that all the time, at least in 2202. That's why when people say, oh, this was easy, we say, but it might not be for other people. We have to be sure to listen to others and try to help them. You are you, and I am me. Everybody is different. Even in our own family, we're different. We like different things. We're different ages. We're very good at some things, like someone could be really good at math and others can be really good at reading. We walk through the world differently. Everybody has their own path and everybody is unique in their own very way. Trusting my voice helps me find my way. So trusting in yourself will help you find your own way. I go braver and stronger every day. I want you to say that. Trusting in my voice helps me find my way. I grow braver and stronger every day. Because you do, boys and girls, if you listen to yourself. The tough stuff I face is all my own, but I can also remember I'm not alone. You boys and girls are not alone. You have your teachers here. You have your parents and your family and your siblings. You're never alone. I'm ready for the hard things I have to do. So she's feeling brave. And please remember, so are you. I want you to pick one phrase from this book that you repeat from yourself every time it gets hard. Life gets hard. And remember, you can do whatever you put your heart and your head to. Bye, boys and girls.